Hi, I'm Christina from Travels with Ted. In today's RVing for Beginners video, I'm explaining the difference between 30 amp and 50 amp RVs. If you missed my last RVing for Beginners video on how RV electrical systems work, go back and watch that first. Most RVs come equipped with either a 30 amp or 50 amp electrical system. This rating determines the type of shore power plug and the amount of electricity your RV can draw from a shore power source. Most small RVs will have a 30 amp system. This system typically has enough power to run a single air conditioner and a few other appliances at the same time. You'll recognize a 30 amp plug by its three-prong design. A 50 amp system can supply more power and is typically used on larger RVs that have multiple air conditioners and more appliances. With a 50 amp RV, you can run more electrical devices at the same time without worrying about overloading the system. These plugs have 4 prongs. Some RV parks only offer a 30 amp or a 50 amp outlet. Therefore, it's essential for RVers to carry adapters that enable compatibility with both types. However, using an adapter does not increase the RV's capacity to handle electricity. A 50 amp RV using a 30 amp adapter must adhere to the 30 amp limit to avoid overloading the circuit. Similarly, if a 30 amp RV is plugged into a 50 amp outlet using an adapter, the RV system is still limited to 30 amps of usage. Thanks for watching and happy camping.